Intello kids. Proper nouns and common nouns. The name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. For example, policeman, park, tiger, book. Names given to the common things around you like dog, hat, school are called common nouns. Names given to people, countries, towns, rivers, pets, months, days, etc. are called proper nouns. Let's see a few examples. India. Name of a country, Delhi. Name of a state, Ganga. Name of a river. These all are proper nouns. More examples of proper noun. Taj Mahal, a historical building. Independence Day, name of a day. December, name of a month. Common nouns can begin with a small letter, but proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. For example, in this sentence, the child is playing. Child is a common noun. So C is a small letter. Next sentence, the Red Fort is a majestic building. Here, Red Fort is a proper noun. So R and F will be capital. Now let us see how to differentiate between a common noun and a proper noun through an exercise. There are few examples given to us here like Africa, giraffe, student, telephone, Eiffel Tower, garden, Mother Teresa, shirt, Mount Everest, Titanic. Now we will segregate them into proper nouns and common nouns. Let's start. Africa, name of a country. So it is a proper noun. Next is giraffe. It is a common noun. Student, common noun. Telephone, again a common noun. Eiffel Tower, situated in Paris. It is a proper noun. Garden, this is a common noun. Mother Teresa, a proper noun. Shirt, common noun. Mount Everest, it is a proper noun. Titanic, a proper noun. So I hope you all have learned how to differentiate between proper nouns and common nouns. Thank you.